Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a calendars on your iPhone. So first you open the calendar app on your iPhone, and then you tap on calendars. And then tap on add calendar, and then add calendar. Then now you just have to enter the name of your calendar. So for example, I'm gonna name it example, and then you can also connect it to your Gmail account or your email, and then you just have to add the color to mark your new calendar, and then at the top right corner tap done, and that's it. Your calendar is created. So I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.